Hello you all, welcome to my channel. I have been so obsessed with getting these Upcrate art supplies mystery boxes. For those who do not know, Upcrate is an art supply subscription based in Germany that sends you a variety of art supplies every month. This box comes with a medium, a surface, and a challenge prompt. On the previous box, we got Spectra, add alcohol markers, and did an illustration of Caesar the Cyclops, one of my original characters. The markers were of such high quality, I enjoyed using them very much. Today we have opened box number 38, which is the October box, and let's see what we got. Some Scratchboard and some scratchy stuff. What is this all about? We got some scratchers, some little blades. We got another little blade. We got some India ink. We got a little craft knife or art knife. Let's open it up. Test it out. Yep, it's a knife. And a clay board. And before we begin, let's swatchy. Or should I say scratchy. Let's see how these little knives or scratch tools work. They scratch the surface in different ways. Very good. And I have transferred my drawing onto my Scratchboard using this transfer paper, but for some reason my computer didn't record that. I used some India ink to erase a mistake I made. Let me explain to you really quick what scratch art is. We also call it engraving art, and it is the process of creating a picture by scratching the surface of this Scratchboard with some tools to take away the top layer and reveal the bottom layer. In this case, my Scratchboard is a rigid hardboard covered with kaolin clay, and it has India ink over top. When you scratch on this board, what you are taking away is the India ink, which is the black part, and is revealing the white part, which is the kaolin clay. And if you're new to my channel and enjoy watching my videos or find some value in them, please consider subscribing to my channel. By doing so, you will be the first to know when I upload new content, and it helps me grow to continue creating new videos for you. So if you have not done so, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Ding ding! And to continue with the artwork and the art style, as I went through Connor's Studio Instagram, that is the co-captain, I saw the most amazing animal portraits. He is outstanding, guys. You have to go check him out. His artwork is out of this world. As I flipped through the bottle post, I realized that there was a video from Connor that is the co-captain, and in his video he explained the techniques and the tools that he uses to create his artwork. He says that he uses a craft knife, a scraper. He even uses fiberglass brushes and tattoo needles. He also says that he uses cross-hatching, feathering, stippling, and he tells you how to use the pressure to create more defined lines if you push hard, or or more lighter lines if you do not press so hard on the tool. He explains how to layer to make fur. He explains how to make short fur and long fur. He says that the key of working with this medium is to layer a lot. And while he's explaining all these things, he is creating a picture on the spot. It is truly magic to see his pictures come together. I decided not to make an animal. I decided to create a picture of a little boy sitting on a branch, looking at the moon or talking to the moon, and the sky has a lot of movement. It looks like a Van Gogh Starry Night. And the way I created the movement is by following one line pattern. That pattern surrounds the stars in the picture. I decided to leave my little boy a little on the dark side, just to create more contrast between him, the main character, and the background, since the background is so busy. I created a lot of texture in this branch where he's sitting, and it was really fun to work with this medium. I did some cross-hatching on his shirt. I didn't push too hard because, as I said, I didn't want him blending in with the background. I made some details on his shorts. And the best part of working with this picture was creating the texture on the branch. It was just so much fun. It was just so random. At the top of the branch, I scratched a little bit more to make it seem like the highlight of the moon shining up on the branch. The bottom part of the sky, I created some more swirls, and I did the same technique that I did on the top part of the picture, which was following the pattern and creating that movement that I did around the stars in the top part of the picture. As you can see, the more you push, the lighter the Scratchboard will become. The less you push, the darker it is, because it reveals less of that white part, the white clay that is underneath the picture. As a finishing touch, I decided to go back around my character and scratch a thicker line to create a halo so he can be more defined and he could stand out from the background, since the background is so busy. And I did the same thing for his little squirrel friend. The moon looked a little too black as a black circle, so I went back and I did some stippling around the moon's face so it can be more of a gradient. And as you can see over here, I defined the swirls in the sky and scratched more of the edge of the tree so it can also be differentiated from the background. This is it, guys. For more Upcrate unboxings, click right here. For Scrathboard unboxings, click here. See you next video. Bye.